Now let's create a simple input handler to listen to a couple key events for moving the arrows left and right. These will be used to move the paddle left and right on the screen. Let's create a new file, call it input.js, and in here we'll have a new class of input handler, and let's give it a constructor. And let's export this. So now in our index.js file we can simply import it. There we go. Alright, so what should this thing do? Let's just add an event listener for listening to a key down event on the arrow keys. Document.add event listener. We're going to listen to key down, and we're going to give it a function that passes the event. And let's just alert the event.keycode. In our index.js file, all we need to do is instantiate it before the game loop. So new input handler. If I push the left arrow key, we get 37. If I push the right arrow key, I get 39. That's great. So now we just need to make a little switch here. Event.keycode. So we're going to do different things based on the key code. So if we have 37, this is going to move left. And if we have 39, we're going to move right. We can get rid of this alert. Alright, let's check it out. So left arrow key, move left. Right arrow key, move right. Next we need to tell the paddle how to handle these movements.